Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up a hobby box of 2018 Heritage Miners. Picked this up from the local hobby shop. You get one card autograph and one memorabilia card per box. Love opening good old Heritage Miners. You can just tell by the players down there at the bottom, there's a lot of really good minor league prospects that we're playing in this time, 2018. One thing I really like about Heritage Miners is that it's actually pretty inexpensive compared to other products that come out, and you can actually get some pretty cool stuff. So I'm definitely a fan of Heritage Miners. Okay, so this is like a glossy pack here. We got Khalil Lee, Blake Rutherford, and Jazz Chisholm. I don't know if you can get short prints in these or not, but those aren't. There's the pack odds. Alright, so this pack we got Mackenzie Gore, Sporting News, Cedric Mullins, got the pitching leaders, Ryan Mountcastle, Charcer Burks, Fernando Tatis, that's a nice minor league all-star card, Lazaro Armenteros, and Estevan Florial. Ian Anderson, Isan Diaz, John Duplantier, Royce Lewis, it's one of those inserts, Mitch Keller, David Peterson, Dane Dunning, Max Schrock. Monty Harrison, Justin Dunn, Adam Hazley. This is a facsimile auto. That is Josh Naylor, Matt Hall, Jorge Mateo, Justin Williams, Helio Ramos. Luis Urias, Gavin Sheets, Eloy Jimenez, Christian Pache. There's another one of these decal edge. Matt Manning, Spencer Howard, Bo Bichette, Evan Steele. So as you can see, you can get some pretty good prospects in this stuff. And this is a short print, the Ryan Mountcastle. Cards that are numbered over 200 are the short prints. Just in case you're wondering. We got Pedro Avila, Austin Beck, Wander Javier, Edward Cabrera. This is one of those contests to be on the swirls. Tanner Hoke, Blaine Enlow, Will Smith. Mackenzie Gore, Dylan Tate, Kyle Tucker, Foster Griffin, Brendan Rodgers insert, Tristan Lutz, Steven Duggar, Carter Keyboom. It's always fun to go back a few years from now and see how many of these guys end up becoming good major league players. Nick Allen, Genesis Cabrera, MJ Melendez, Sixto Sanchez, Brusdar Graterol, Zach Birdie, Brandon Marsh, Nick Solak. And Sixto, that was a short print. Interesting to see what he does this next season. Got Khalil Lee, Blake Rutherford, Michael Gigliotti, Gregory Soto, Justin Williams, Isaac Paredes, Pete Alonso for the Rumble Ponies, Akil Badu, you got Brendan Rodgers All-Star, Stuart Fairchild, the innings pitched leaders, another contest thing, O'Neal Cruz, RBI leaders, Drew Waters, strikeout leaders. A lot of leaders cards in this. Okay, so here's something here. If you notice how much this is a magenta back, this Justin Williams. So this one is actually, it's not individually numbered, but they only made 10 each of the magenta backs. Excuse me. Oh, there's a pretty thick relic card in this one. So we got Chance Adams, Kyle Funkhauser, Shed Long, and Ryan Mountcastle. Blue parallel. Game used memorabilia. That is 79 out of 99. So should still be looking for an auto. Got Ronnie Dawson, stolen base leaders, Pavin Smith, Matt Thaiss, Brendan Rodgers, Deckle Edge, Jazz Chisholm, batting leaders, and Franklin Perez. Ryan Borucki, Greg Diekman, Oscar De La Cruz, Colton Welker, Leody Taveras. Now I think that might be a short print. See how the lettering down there is all in white. Yeah. That is a 24 out of 25. It's probably an alternate image or a logo swap, color swap or something. So that's pretty cool because I'm a Rangers fan. Zach Little, CNL Perez, and Hunter Green. I'm surprised I spotted that. I haven't been really looking at the team name colors. We got Tim Tebow, Daniel Johnson, Albert Alzolay, Greg. Oh, there's an autograph. Greg Diekman is our auto for the Lake Monsters. Nelson Velasquez, Dylan Cease, Jorge Ona, Hunter Green. And J.B. Bukauskas, Logan Allen, Shane Baz. There's a Mike Bauman blue. That's out of 99. Nick Nieder. There's a Tatis. A little bit off-centered, but that's a pretty nice little hit. Nate Pearson, Miguel Angel Sierra. You got Vlad Jr., All-Star, Alex Lang, Taylor Ward, Nicky Lopez, Justice Sheffield, Alex Kirilloff, TJ Zook, Brian Miller. Let's take a little look here, see if we get any short prints. Justice Sheffield was a short print. Alright, 3 packs left. Domingo Acevedo, Tim Tebow, Daniel Johnson, Albert Alzolay, Jorge Ona, Hunter Green, DJ Peters, another Tatis. Wow, that's pretty crazy. And it also is a little bit off-center. Huh. That is interesting to get 2 Tatises in one box. Jose Albertos, Leody Taveras, Domingo Acevedo, Michael Kopech, Albert Abreu, Kyle Young, Corbin Burns, and Adolis Garcia. And last pack. Sean Anderson, home run leaders. Chris Cease, Dalton Varsho, decal edge. DJ Peters, Danny Jansen, Jordan Humphreys, Rogelio Armenteros. Let's go through and look for more short prints or other variations. And that is it. So this is a pretty good box, I think. We got Justice Sheffield short print, Mike Baumann out of 99, Greg Dieckman on card auto, Leody Taveras color swap out of 25, Ryan Mountcastle out of 99 relic, Justin Williams, that's the out of 10 magenta back, Sixto short print, Ryan Mountcastle short print, and there's our glossy cards, and 2 Tatisas. So pretty awesome box. All right, stay tuned for more videos.